Hello all my friends, how are you today? I hope you stay at home. To accompany you at home, I invite you to make an accessories. These accessories from a certain ribbon, and I hope you like and enjoy watching this video. Don't forget like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Now let's prepare the material that we will use to make these accessories. The materials are ribbon, flannel, lighter, clip, scissor, thread and needle, glue and glue gun. You take a ribbon and you cut three kinds. This is 50 centimeter, 40 centimeter and 25 centimeter. 50, 40 and 25. You cut the end of the ribbon in diagonal position like this. In diagonal position. And you melt you take needle and thread and you start sewing. You keep sewing and then you pull like this. And you have knot. Like this. Okay, this is the 50, this is 40. And we have different knot. like this. And you knot here. Yeah. So we have 3 kinds of petal. Okay. Take a flannel or felt. This is 7 and the weight 4 centimeters. Give a glue and you put the petal. Also this one you give a glue. Like this. And then you take a small petal and give the glue on the felt flannel and you put the petal. And the last, the bigger flannel, the bigger petal. You take a silver ribbon and you cut it about the length 8, like this. Like this, and you give the glue and you insert in the middle like this. The last, you give hair clip, give a glue and put under the flower, and the hair clip has been done. Thank you. Bye bye.